This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home! A modern updated kitchen makes it great for entertaining, and the spacious floor plan and amazing backyard offers something for everyone in your home. The first level living has all LVP flooring as well as the bathrooms and stairs, HVAC 2021, roof 2016 and new ceiling fans makes homeownership a breeze. This spacious 4-bed 2.5 bath house has an added bonus/flex space that is ready to use in so many ways: media room, office, or even a playroom. There is ample storage inside this amazing home too. A great backyard and new oversized storage shed. Located with convenient access for commuting to all of Hampton Roads military bases. For more information, review the details below.